Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange your unused player in your team. It could be exchanged with the legendary player. So what you need to do is tap the exchange button beside the store button at the bottom of your screen. As you can see, there are four options here. The first is club point. Sorry, let's get back. The first is club point, founders, hero's journey, and foundation. So that I want to show you is this one, best icon pack. This is full of legendary player here. Tap the information icon. So guarantee rewards 85 plus rating of the player, and this is the possible rewards. As you can see, this is the collection of legendary player that you can get by exchanging the player. So let's get started. Tap again best icon pack. As you can see, you have to minimal coin is 500,000, and also you have to the 1 to 4 player, I mean, to exchange with the legendary player I mentioned before. Let's tap it, confirm. Let's try it, confirm. And if you already fulfill this, you can exchange and you get that guaranteed player that I mentioned before. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.